Fill in the blank. The dash form of government is a part of basic structure.
Democratic.
Correct. Views on elements of the basic structure doctrine. Which of these is not part of basic structure? A. Independence of judiciary. B. Judicial review. C. Taxation system.
Taxation system.
Correct. True or false? Secularism is an element of the basic structure.
Yes, true.
Correct. Which of the following is part of the basic structure of the Constitution? Rule of law, reservation policy, abolition of property rights.
Law. Not part है ना?
Part of rule of law is correct answer. Name any two elements of the basic structure.
अच्छा, रूल ऑफ लॉ और फंडामेंटल राइट्स. सुप्रीमेसी ऑफ लॉ. अच्छा, ओके, टू है.
Supremacy of
लॉ.
correct. Fill in the blank. Free and fair dash is a key element of the basic structure.
फ्री एंड फेयर ट्रेड. नहीं,
Wrong.
फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस.
Correct. Election is correct. True or false? The basic structure doctrine protects both fundamental rights and directive principles equally.
False.
False. Correct.
Equally.
Which feature reflects the concept of popular sovereignty in the basic structure? A. Judicial review. B. Independent election commission. C. Federalism.
फेडरलिज्म.
Wrong.
ऑप्शंस बोला होता.
Judicial review. Independent election commission.
इंडिपेंडेंट इलेक्शन कमीशन.
Fill in the blank. Dash review allows court to strike down laws violating the basic structure.
क्या फिर से?
Dash review allows courts to strike down laws.
जुडिशियल रिव्यू.
Correct.